interesting little piece we have here for ourselves today to open up and explore a bit. It is an extreme value football pack, which has 75 cards.
You don't say.
I would guesstimate the date of it, probably manufactured in the late 2009, 10, somewhere around there. And, of course, it's made by our favorite company. We know them well, Fairfield. They pre-package pretty much all the stuff you see now at the Walmart and the Walgreens and the CVS. They still are into that. And they've done it for years and years and years. And sometimes you can get some decent value, decent product, and other times, well, it all depends. But I saw this little piece here, and I thought, you know what? That might be some fun. That might be a little fun. And we'll go quickly. We're not going to spend a ton of time on that. We'll go through the cards briefly. But again, let's review what we have here. We've got, on the front, we've got a Reggie White, which I believe is an 88, Topps Reggie White. Peyton Manning, I think, is a 2008 Upper Deck. On the back side, we have a Boomer Esiason, I believe a 1988 Topps, and I think a 2007 Vincent Jackson over here. But let's take our time, break out the dangerous sharp objects, open this up, and see what we have going here.
Let's get ripping.
And like I said, not gonna spend all night on this, but we'll give it a little, go through the little guy, see what we got going here. Oh, there we go. See if I can do this one side at a time. Those over there. And we're going to just review what we have in here. Again, we've got a Peyton Manning Upper Deck. Well, that's a nice looking card. Anthony Recht, that is a rookie card. That is a good looking card right there. Really good looking card. Wow, another good looking card. That is a collector's edge. I think it's a guy from a few years back. Look at how pretty that is. From the Bears, Rasheed Salam, I believe it was Rasheed Salam. Very nice looking card. Oh, Troy Aikman, Hallmark card. How interesting is that? Another good looking card. I'm really getting impressed with this here. Brett Favre, as they say. Happy Holidays card. The glare of the hey, Brett Favre. Let's see what we have here. Danny Farmer, another rookie. That's a good looking card right there. This is just a, what is that? Position tells you how the players use a certain position playing football. We have here an Irving Fryer, I believe is that 86 Topps. 86 Topps. We have, is that an old pro set? Haywood Jeffries. Vinny Testaverde. Mike Kohler. Tony Bennett. In addition to being an amazing singer, I guess he's a football player too. Roy Foster. John Hand. Well, that was early 80s. That's a Jack Holmes. Mark Clayton. There's a Van McElroy. I think it's a little pro set. Who's that? Ron Stark. Steve Smith. We have got a Gary Clark. Another Gary Clark. Eric Davis. Hey, Stadium Club, Howie Long. David Treadwell. Mike Merriweather. Jay Hilgenberg. Steve McMichael. Our prayers go with Steve. He's currently battling Lou Gehrig's disease, ALS. Our prayers are with him. Steve Smith. Lance Briggs. Bubba Franks. Javon Walker. Bernard Berrien. Amon Green. Jason Taylor. Rex Grossman. It looks like we've got some old Oklahoma State cards here. 1976 Tangerine Bowl. John Little. And the 83 Blue Bonnet Bowl. And the final card on the back, again, was Vincent Jackson. Now let's go on to the other container, carefully. This had Reggie White on the front. And there's Mr. Reggie. Joe Wolf. Jesse Small. Old pro set, we've got Tim Rosenbach. See what this is. Another pro set. Jim Lachey. Michael Stewart. Heisman Hero, Vinny Testaverde. JoJo Tonzel. Upper Deck, Leonard Russell. Clarence Verdon. Jeff Graham. Boomer Esiason. Robert Clark. Thomas Benson. Kevin Call. Mike Munchuk. Jeff Query. Clay Matthews. Craig Hayward. Michael Kofer. Sean Landata. Is that a Reggie White? Is that a Reggie White? Nice looking card. Ronaldo Turnbull. We've got, let's see who this is here. We've got draft pick checklist. Got a pro line. Ed McCaffrey. We've got, it's going to be a Chicago Bear. Tim Ryan. Another Tim Ryan, same card. That is a James. A little hard to read. This is one of the sports flicks that change as you move it. So let me see what his name is, but a little hard to read here. It's a rookie, James Bostic. A good looking card. Jeff Alm. Mickey Schuler. Steve DeBerg. Rookie card from 1990. Rodney Hampton. Terry Hogue, Topps card. You've got a Stefan Page. And that is a Lawrence Taylor interesting card. How to collect. It's from Team NFL. Lawrence Taylor, how to collect. What is a wax pack? Little information about cards on the back. Interesting. Chad Fortune. And we've got Arthur Hunter. And again, from the rear, the 1988 Topps of Bloomer and Esiason. Well, that was an interesting little bunch of cards.
I like these cards.
Found it on eBay at a very fair price. And I'm going to go through it again. Obviously, we'll put our little penny sleeves on and some card guards, but I think there's a couple nice cards in there. And again, you want to just see what your price point is. If you can find it at a fair price, it's probably worth investing in. And I think I bought this on eBay for around $14 to $15 delivered. And I think for some of the cards we have here, I think it's a fair price. I really do. But again, your thoughts, comment below, like and subscribe. We love to have you. As I said, we enjoy opening the cards, these old packs, and especially the more people that get to enjoy it with us, the more we enjoy it. But subscribe, comment below, and keep checking back with our channel because we're making new videos all the time. And again, we enjoy doing this. This is what we really enjoy doing, and we'd like to have you enjoy it with us. And the more people who enjoy it with us, the more we enjoy it. And I just want to thank you for tuning in and wish you a very, very good day and a good night. Say goodbye for now. And please keep tuning in to Ripping with Retro Mike. And have a great day.
See you later, cowboy.